bit different. I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make money online. Yes, have you shopped on Temu website before? If no, then sit tight to this video. I'm going to be sharing with you all what Temu website looks like, their products, and all you need to know about this site and how to make money from the site. Yes, I'm going to be doing lots of review. I have full basket here with me. Yes, I'm going to be doing that. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real G. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So in today's video, like I said, how to make money online. Yes, how to make money online. We're going to be discussing all of that. So before I forget, this video is sponsored by Temu. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video. And I'm sure you guys can see full basket. I've got a lot to show you guys. I've got a lot to share with you guys. And you can also see this rail by my side. Yes, I'm going to be in lots of clothes review in today's video. And all you need to know about Temu, they send me lots of items. Like, there are plenty. It is plenty. Yeah. But before then, let me tell you guys a little bit about Temu. If you have not shopped on their website before, then listen and listen very carefully. I'm sure after this review, you all are going to rush to that website. But before you rush to the website, check on the description below. You're going to see a link for you guys to use to download this app and also shop. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's talk about Temu. Temu is a low-cost, affordable online marketplace. They carry out everything from household, decor, cleaning product, and fashion items to children's toys and many more. So now let me introduce you guys Temu affiliated program and how you all can make money from it. If you're interested in looking to generate a stable source of passive income, or if you're an influencer wanting to monetize your traffic, look no further. The Temu affiliated program is here for you guys. With a high earning potential of up to $150,000 per month and with more than 70 million monthly traffic, the Temu affiliated program is the perfect fit for you to start. So now let me introduce you guys the affiliated program benefits, the reason why you all should join this affiliated program. One, you can get up to $150,000 every month commission. As for commission, so let's say if you have got a lot of traffic, you can get as much as $150,000 every month, depending on your traffic, and up to 20% commission on any referral. So let's say you download this website. Like I said, I'm going to leave all the link on the description below. If you want to join the affiliated program, the link is on the description below. So download it. Just refer a friend. You referring a friend, you're going to get 20% commission on referral. The person has to be a new user though. And also you get £2 for every download and login for new users only. And also you get £3 as a welcoming gift. Can you see you're already making money on Temu? You just downloading the app, clicking on that link on the description below, you're going to get £3. With the £3, you can also use it to shop. This is, getting free item already, isn't it? Yes, downloading the app will make you get free item, because with that £3, trust me, you see something to buy, something reasonable, something tangible. I've got a lot here. You guys are going to see a lot. Like, I've got full basket. Just sit tight, don't go anywhere, and I'm going to share with you guys my honest review on this product. Review Temu products and get your commission. So now let me bring all of my goodies. Like, I've got a lot. Guys, like I said, I've got a lot of. So guys, honestly, I've got lots of Temu products to share with you guys. It is plenty. Like, you guys are going to see a lot. And at the end of the day, you can, check out their website and decide what you're looking for. Like I said, there are different things. Fashion, decor. Just mention anything is just there, and their items are very, very cheap. Like, very, very cheap. Honestly, when I went to their website, I was so shocked. I was like, what is happening? These things are very cheap clothes. So I picked clothes for my kids and myself, and that is what you guys are going to see. So the first cloth is this one. This is age. I think it's from what age is this one? I think most of the clothes I picked were around 12 months to 18 months. For those of you that don't know, I've got a son, he's 1 year old. So some of the clothes I picked were around that age range, from 12 months to 18 months. And honestly, I love the clothes. I love the quality of this clothes. It is super cute. Like, if you're looking for baby clothes or household item, just check out Temu. Like I said, I'm going to leave their link again. I don't want you guys to go anywhere. click on that link on the description below to check them out. So I bought this one for my son. I just went for multicolor because I wanted something a bit different from the regular type of clothes, and I mean he doesn't have anything like this honestly, so I decided to pick this one. So the material is something like not really suede, but I don't know what texture to call this, but I like the material. It's not cotton, it's not suede. I don't even know what to call this material honestly, but it's super cute. I've got my clothes reel here because as I'm talking about these clothes, I'm hanging them, and this is what the trouser looks like. So if you've got a son like me, check out this clothes. I think, how much is this? So guys, I had to go pick my phone. This particular clothes was around £19, but guess what? It's on sales now. It goes for £9.99. The good thing about this website is that sometimes they are on mass clearance. Like you see item as low as £2, £1.50, £5. Yes, that is how cheap their items are. So it's currently on sales. It's £9.99 I think. And this is the next one. Most of the clothes I pick, like I told you guys, is 12 to 18 month jogger. It's up and down, and I love the cotton. It's not too thick, but the material is lovely, and it's a bit stretchy though. Can you see? It's a bit stretchy. He might not wear them now because it might be a bit big for him. I don't know, but because my boy is not like, you know, the chubby big boy. I feel like my son is small size. It's a small size one. It's a small size one. So yeah, I just hang them like this to make it faster. This one is for my daughter, but I mean it's summer. I don't know why, for some reason I love jumpsuits. How much is this jumpsuit? Let me check. I have to check. This particular one go for £5.37. Although the color I picked was pink, but I don't know, for some reason they sent this one to me. Pink is beautiful, honestly. It's pink, white, and I wanted pink color, but she can still rock this one. She can still rock it. And this material is lovely. It's also stretchy. This one is for my son. I told you guys they've got lots of items. Like, it is plenty. If you're looking for household item, it is plenty there. It's plenty. I don't know, I just felt like picking just clothes. Honestly, I just felt like, you know what, let me just pick their clothes. Because shopping for clothes, like going to stores, sometimes it's too tiring. I was like, let me use this opportunity and just pick clothes. Then I don't have to keep going to the mall, you know, all the time. It's, you know, at your own comfort, you know, at your own home. And this one for my daughter. Can you see this one? What do you guys think? I love this clothes. It's beautiful. I can see her already in it. So this particular one is age 3 to 4. 3 to 4. So my daughter will turn 4. Some of the items I picked for her are 3 to 4 or 4 to 5. Yeah, that's the age range I picked. So I picked 3 to 4, and I also picked 4 to 5. So I think this one should be 3 to 4. So yeah, what do you guys think about this clothes? The color, do you like it? It's beautiful. Honestly, their clothes are lovely. I told you guys, Temu has got you guys covered. Check out Temu. Like I said, honest review. So far, I think it's just this one that I wanted, the pink one, but I got the yellow one. But the yellow one is still not bad. And the next on my list, we've got this one. What age is this one? I think this one should be probably 3 years. What age is this one? I picked 4. Most of her clothes is 4. Summer vibe. It's giving the summer vibes. It's giving the summer vibes. I think I'm going to open a small boutique in my house. And this is a shirt. This is shirt. Most of the shirt, like I said, is between 12 to 18 months. So this one. Okay, this is another one, guy. So I love this color. I intentionally go for this little boss. I love this color. I love the texture. I love the material, and it's a bit stretchy too. Can you see? So if your baby is still kind of wearing, or this chubby baby that wear nappy, it's still going to fit each and every one of them. And this one is 12 to 18 months. They've got them online, so you can check them out. I love this clothes. My son is going to enjoy this one this summer. Summer vibe is giving the summer vibes. What's happening? Is this guys, it's plenty. Temu finished me with clothes this time around. Can you see this shirt? Can you see this shirt? Guys, they have finished me with clothes. Honestly speaking, I've been wanting to make this video a long time ago, but because the clothes was a lot, honestly I was overwhelmed. It was just a lot. I didn't even know where to start, but good thing I was able to do it. You see this particular shirt? This shirt goes with everything. This shirt is a must-have for your son. I love this shirt. My son don't really have much shirts, so I love the color combination. It's nice, honestly. I think I'll have to start hanging because I don't want to go upstairs. I don't have time to go upstairs. And this one is white shirt for my baby boy. And you know what? The finishing is top notch. It has a lovely finishing. Can you see? So far, I've not seen anybody complaining about Temu. They've got lovely and beautiful products. I think it was 3 sets. Yeah, you can see the ash color, the black. I think it's white, black. They all came, I think, in 3 sets. The 3 sets is how much? I'll have to check. Guys, the 3 sets is £6. Can you believe it? It's literally £2. That means, guys, this material honestly is worth it. It's worth it. I'm not even gonna lie. It's definitely worth it. So it's literally £2. Can you see? You can buy clothes as low as £2. Temu has got you covered. No more wasting of money. Don't waste your money anywhere. Don't even waste your money. And this one is another shirt. I can see my son in it already. I'm going to wear some of the clothes because I've got some of my clothes. I'm also going to wear some of the clothes. So for some reason my mic stopped. I was just saying that I'm just going to try the clothes, but for my kids, they were not feeling too well, so I'm going to try them later and post them on IG. So it's literally 2 colors. You can see this color and the blue one. They are beautiful. I think my husband has something like this, so it's going to be men things. The boys in the house, the gang. Okay. So this one is for my daughter. It's a 2 sets clothes, and yeah, it has a jacket. Can you see the jacket? Oh god, this is beautiful. I'm sure she's going to love it. Can you see? So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The 2 sets. It's rumpled now, but when it's ironed, I'm sure you're going to see the fitting is going to be everything. So yeah, that's my daughter. That's age 4. PJ for her, because I was like, okay, let me just check out their pajamas and see what their PJ looks like. And honestly, I was so impressed with their pajama. It's pure cotton. I love the pajamas. Honestly, their pajamas is everything. It's pure cotton. I personally love this material. Most of the clothes you wear to sleep now, like shorts, the short PJ. So I tried to go for this one because I feel like in November it's going to be cold, and I'm sure in 4 months time will at least add a bit. So I feel as at that time it will be okay for her. So that's why I went for this PJ, and I love the color. Guys, this is beautiful. So this one is from age 4 to 5. It's beautiful, honestly, pure cotton, and it smells nice, guys. Oh my god, Temu, you guys are the real G. So this one, I think these ones are my clothes. Okay, this one is for my daughter. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I didn't even realize that I picked this clothes. Honestly speaking, I didn't realize that. Wow. I don't think I'm buying any clothes this year. It's over. It is over. I'm not going anywhere. Temu has covered everything. Guys, can you see this particular gown? This one is also age 4 to 5. Check out Temu. You guys are going to see affordable clothes. So yes, and then now let's show you guys my own clothes I picked for myself of these clothes. Okay, this one is not mine yet. I don't know. I think this one should be for my son. I think it's for my son. I pick a lot. I think I picked like 3 or 4 for myself. So, but most of the clothes are for my children. Yeah, this one, this gown. So this is a flare gown because I've got big tummy, so I want something free. I don't want something that will be too tight on me because too big. We don't want it to be everywhere. So yeah, that's why I went for this gown. It's a short gown and it's flare and it has nice fitting. And then this one is a skirt. In as much as I'm buying gowns, I feel like this is summer. I can still wear skirt. Even in winter, we can still wear skirt. So I picked this skirt. And jumpsuit, gang. If you like jumpsuit, like I love jumpsuit. Like I like to wear jumpsuit. Honestly speaking, I love it. Yeah. So this one is my favorite. I think I love this color. I love everything about this jumpsuit. I love this one. I think this is my favorite. It has a belt. Yeah, this is the belt here. So this is the belt, but you can even shop for any other belt if you want. So let's say you don't want this belt, you can buy a black waist belt. So use instead of this one if you don't want this one. So it's something you can, it's choice at the end of the day. So this is another gown. Guys, you guys are not going to see the fitness of this clothes now. You cannot see the fitness now. But when I wear them, you guys are going to see the fitness. So yeah, that is it for this purple one. And we've got another one, isn't it? Yeah. And this is another gown. And this is another gown. I love the color of this gown. I feel like this one is giving me summer vibe because it's very light. So it's long though, but yeah, I still like it. It's still okay. You can see it. And this particular jumpsuit, I love this jumpsuit, but it was not my size. Yeah, it was too small for me. Not like too small, but I think they sent me the wrong size. I probably might give it to somebody. I don't like things too tight on my body. I just don't feel comfortable about it. I don't feel comfortable about it. So guys, that is it for Temu. I am going to leave all that you need to know about this website on the description below. You guys can see it. Click on the link and download. So yes, that is it for this video. Hope you guys find this video informative and interesting. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.